Lay. Sir. Yeah. Yeah.
Kane is in the building.
Yeah. Alright, already the show goes on all night. Till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun up? Just remember when it comes up, the show goes on. Alright, already the show goes on all night. Till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun up? Just remember when it comes up.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in this week. Starting this week out in Bangkok today and tomorrow, and then I am flying to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia tomorrow for another tournament. I'm excited to go see. This is a new course, never played it before. We're actually staying close to the airport, which I don't think there's much there, so that'll be interesting, figuring out how to get around and see the new course. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm excited to show you all this new stuff. Check it out. Did some laundry. My roommate has kind of thrown his stuff everywhere. We got boxers, stuff going everywhere. I looks like he's kind of trying to dry it, but not totally sure what's going on. Got all my stuff packed over here in the corner. Clubs. Got my ball. Bands for working out. Get jacked. More bands, courtesy of Titleist Performance Institute. This freaking thing's hard to get out. Put those around my feet. Go to work. Put that back in there. Golf bag, courtesy of the lovely people at Trixon. Small little suitcase. Trying to travel light, make it easier. Still got some more clothes hanging up, need to dry them. Here they are over here. I was actually using a blow dryer to make sure that they were completely dry. They didn't quite get dry from the laundry yesterday. Kind of thinking my roommate Brett might have to do the same thing. But yeah, just taking care of some small shit this morning. Moving forward. Excited to keep going. I might go see the Grand Palace today in Bangkok. Pretty cool spot. #1 tourist attraction. Just talked to the people inside. I'm getting a free ride to the airport link. I guess it pays to be nice to people sometimes. They'll do you favors. These guys over here were trying to charge me 50 baht just to go about maybe a half a mile. So saving money, always good. Nice people. All right. Motor bag tag. Look at this big old melon on my head. To the Grand Palace. I guess traffic's really bad in town today, so trying to go over the traffic, which will be good. Keep it safe. Crowded day getting on the BTS here. Heading towards Bangwa to go to the river boats. Should be pretty sweet. Made it to the boat just barely. Pretty sweet view though. About to do a little hop on, hop off here, check everything out. Should be pretty exciting. To get back on the river cruise. Had to get off real quick. Was thinking about maybe stopping and going and checking out this one place, but it's not too far. But waiting for the boat to come. Kind of a cool view here. Down on the river. Pretty awesome. Finally made it to the temples. Pretty sweet. Got off the boat finally. Excited to check this place out. Big Buddha here. Massive Climbing the steps here. Pretty steep steps, pretty hard to tell when I do the video, but got some monks down there. Kinds of really cool statues here. เป็นต้นนะครับ Pretty cool little class going on. Am I right? I don't want to bother
ท่าน
that.
ดูตัวอย่างดีสักหน่อยบทว่าอุปาคูตาให้เป็นวิเศษณะของพระยาหมายความว่าทั้งสุนตาและปัจจุตาเป็นวิเศษณะของพระยาแล้วโหมะที่เราเห็นนั่นนะครับพระที่เราเห็นแอบที่พระยามันเป็นวิเศษ
Just kind of doing a circle here of the temple. Trying to be very quiet. I don't want to disturb anyone, but I want to show it to you. Just see how huge these things are. All of a sudden, I walk outside the temple and look at all these pretty cool like flower bed type things. There's the temple. Walk through here. Little shops.
What needs ice cubes? Put ice cube in the cauldron.
And then there's more. Really cool architecture. Gonna walk through here. Wish me luck. It's pretty freaking awesome. Sorry I'm not talking so much. I just don't want to bother anyone, but want to definitely bring this all to you guys. Look at this.
兄弟，帮我们再拿。哎，转个头过来，来一个有车道。แจ้งผู้เจอเหตุการณ์
About to walk into the temple. palace was called Wat Arun. Taking a ferry here to another palace called Wat Po. It's right over there across. You see just the tops of it. Just got my ticket. About to walk in here. Saudi cap. Cap. Just lots of people. As I'm sure you could probably surmise here in Bangkok. To walk inside here. Gotta put my shoes in the bag. The size of this thing. Maybe halfway down. It just goes on forever. Reclining Buddha here at stuff here on the walls too. Yeah, that's the whole thing right there. Massive. Walking through the school now. They have school massage and some other cool stuff. Pretty amazing. Just keeps going on and on and on. This is seriously unbelievable. Hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. Pretty awesome seeing things that are completely different than what I see back home in America. Here's some more. Well, there's something you see in America, crying babies. Let's go check this out. That's not something you see every day. Look at these massive, massive high-rises. About to get a massage from one of the Wat Po certified massage therapists here. Should be really, really good. Just finished that massage. It's freaking crazy. My body was in all different kinds of positions. About to get back on the ferry here. Gotta go see the Grand Palace. Look at all this traffic on the river here. Back on the boat. I guess Grand Palace is only open on weekdays. So I'm gonna head to Khao San Road, and then from there I'm gonna head to one of the biggest outside day markets in all of Thailand. So that'll be cool. Meeting a friend there too, so you get to meet him. I guess that's all of the Grand Palace we're gonna see. It's closed today. See it from the boat. Finally get to sit down, relax, and enjoy the ride back. Just chilling out. I've been standing for like the last 4 hours, walking around, seeing stuff. Actually, except for the massage, I forgot about that. So you called me out on that, but yeah, just chilling out now. Just trying to figure out how I was gonna get to that outdoor market. I think I finally figured it out, so I got that going for me. It's been fun. It's been a cool day. Thanks that you were along with it. Check out that building right there in the middle. That middle part is like cut out. It's freaking crazy. How about that for architecture? A lot of high rise. Going through the high rises here. Found a place in Bangkok that was playing the Kings game. That's freaking crazy. And of course we're getting throttled. We're all jam-packed in this tuk-tuk ride. There's Dan. Say hello.
Hello.
Candy, say hello. Andrew, say hello to everybody
hello.
back home in California.
Oh, for the blog.
Oh yeah, the vlog.
Sawadee
We
ka.
are jammed into a very small tuk-tuk here, going to a place that will not be named.
Bunch of white bird shit. Hanging out in the tuk-tuk.
Spalankino, here we are in a freaking tuk-tuk ride. We finally figured out what that means, which is not a good thing.
Yeah,
And now I'm a massive tourist, so you know, life keeps going downhill as we speak, but it's all right. Having a good time.
Tourist.
Having a. This is I can't even script this right now. This is great. So yeah, we're having a good time.
Why don't you just tell them where we're really going?
I'm not sure yet. This guy only knows where we're going, so up to him.
He's the only one who really.
Thanks for tuning in to this special edition of Bangkok. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. We got some pretty cool stuff coming up.